It's time for some high rolling coasters.
Coaster time.
Let's go to the park!
Because today we're going to be hitting up some roller coasters on the Strip in good old Las Vegas. Or bad old, depending on who you talk to. And our first stop today is the Adventuredome at CIRCUS. Let's get it on. Now, if you've never heard of the Adventuredome, it's a fully enclosed 5-acre theme park located inside of the CIRCUS Hotel and Casino. And there is actually a lot to do in here. There's rides and an arcade and a midway and miniature golf and 4D rides and even 2 roller coasters. You know, I gotta say, it's pretty impressive, all the rides and games and attractions that they pack in here. The roller coasters both have inversions. It's like a tricked out extreme version of Space Mountain with the lights on. But it isn't just thrill rides that they have here at the Adventuredome. If loop-de-loops and corkscrews make you squeamish, the merry-go-round might be a little bit more your speed. Or the hot air balloon Ferris wheel. If you're looking for something that's a little bit more in between, the disco ride is here. I'm just wondering if the inverter ride also turns you inside out, in addition to upside down. That's a good question, right? But if you have a GoPro, you'll want to leave it at home because they don't allow that here. All right, that's enough adventure-doming for today. It's time for a ride. A ride into the stratosphere. All right, we made it to floor 108. This is not the top floor, this is the observation deck, and there's a lot of stuff to do here, food and drink and whatnot. All with an incredible view and a long way down. Now, if the elevator is too slow for you and you're not afraid of heights and you want to take the quick way down, you may want to check out the sky jump here on level 108. Not for the squeamish. All right, let's check out level 109. All right, well, I guess I'll use the door for insane people, naturally. Now, in addition to the panoramic view that you get up here, there's also a couple of thrill rides, if you so choose to be daring. Each of which tests your mettle and your fear of heights by placing you out over the edge of the stratosphere, way high above the ground. There's also the big shot, which takes you up about as high as you can go in Vegas without a helicopter or an airplane. Oh, and just in case you were wondering, no base jumping. Come on, you know you were thinking about it. But really, fear of heights or not, the view up here is incredible. And check it out. I can see our hotel from here. There it is. All right, so we've already visited one spot at the Strat where we got a good view of Las Vegas. Now it's time for another high vantage point. And I'm talking about the high roller at the LINQ Hotel and Casino. That is one big Ferris wheel. Being this high up might make some people a little bit queasy, but me, I'm in the mood for some donuts. Now that's what I call high rolling.
Good times.
All right, we haven't ridden any coasters today. It's time to change that. We're riding the Big Apple. But I can't take the GoPro on because of policy. So we're gonna leave you in a locker for now. We all know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but if you ride the Big Apple, you might actually need a doctor. It's pretty bumpy. Not Gold Striker bumpy, but still pretty bumpy. Although I must say, even as bumpy as it is, it's a pretty good ride. I recommend it. And with that, I think we're gonna call it a day. Thank you so much for joining us on day 2 of the Let's Go to the Park Wild West Las Vegas road trip. Don't forget, we got one more day left, so stay tuned. Till next time, see you later. What should I do? Carrot Top? Why do they have you in this box? Playing Guitar Hero.
Oh, Carrot Top. I thought that was the Annie musical.
Oh yeah. The sun will come up tomorrow.
Joe the butcher, yeah, it's Butcher Joe. He's chopping up the chicken, always on his toes. The trim aside of beef, he don't need a reason. Hey, look out now, because the deer is in season. He'll fly around the moon in his rocket ship and shoot space invaders while he's grilling tri-tip. He's a big motor scooter and he's cooking with gas, so you better watch out or he'll fry your grass-fed steak in a béarnaise sauce in a pan, then eat it right in front of you because he can. So you better act right, act like you know, 'cause now you know it's time for the Butcher Joe Show. Funfair grand opening today. Rides, games, food. That's a great idea, Paddywhack. Let's go. Okay, Paddywhack, let's go get some tickets. That's the one. 2 wristbands, please. That'll be 40 monies. What? No, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, please. You said it, Paddywhack. Let's get out of here. I got work to do. Hold it right there. You. Look out!
Hey, quiet.